So Coinbase has just had a recent crash just today because of the high Bitcoin demand that we are seeing and the crazy day we had with Bitcoin. So we're going to be talking about what basically happened in that crash and what that could possibly lead to. So we are looking at an article about the Coinbase crash, and we could see what this could lead to in new Bitcoin prices. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we do start, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right over to our screen and let's start talking about what's basically happening to the Coinbase market right now. So as we head to crypto news.net, we can see we have this special article about the Coinbase crash could mean another Bitcoin bull run is coming. So here's why. So Bitcoin surges, exchanges run hot, and Coinbase glitches. So if you aren't aware, we have had an absolutely crazy day in the crypto community. Global market cap hit $2.28 trillion. Bitcoin hit the high today of around 64k. Crazy numbers coming in. And in just the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 8.22% at the current rate of 61.6k. So just today we have seen crazy number hit. We just posted a video on this pattern right here of the Bitcoin chart. So do make sure to check that out. And let's just head back to our article that now that we know what has happened. Bitcoin surges, exchanges run hot, and Coinbase glitches. Lather, rinse, repeat. Following widespread reports that Coinbase users were logging in to see zero balance in their wallet, CEO Brian Armstrong said Wednesday afternoon that the problem has been fixed. We had modeled around a 10x surge in traffic and load tested it. Armstrong said on Twitter, this exceeded that number. So before this, the CEO have tested a 10x surge in traffic, and they have tested the Coinbase app to see if it can handle. But this surge absolutely exceeded that 10x number because of the Bitcoin surge, and exchanges had a load of traffic on them, so it was hard for them to stay up. It's expensive to keep service over provisioned, but we'll need to keep working on auto scaling solutions and killing any remaining bottlenecks, he continued. Thank you for bearing with us. Earlier, Armstrong said that the Coinbase was dealing with a large surge of traffic, apologizing for any issues encountered. Cryptocurrency exchanges often experience outages during Bitcoin rally, which brings massive surges in user traffic and trading activity, along with testified unpredictability of Bitcoin's price. If exchanges could reliably predict such surges and provisions their data centers ahead of time, they would probably be wealthy enough to not need customers. So what that basically means is, if they already knew this was going to happen, they wouldn't be in the market right now. They would be way too wealthy to even deal with customers. Even so, Coinbase's history of going down during surges in traffic promoted crypto Twitter another opportunity to poke fun at the exchange, designating the familiar technical difficulties as a positive market indicator. So basically, this could mean a positive turn for the Bitcoin market, just in, not down. So Coinbase app is down, reflecting. Research co-founder Will Salamate wrote on Twitter, "We are so back." So basically, this is the past tweets of previous people on Twitter, basically saying the history of bad days of Coinbase with good days of Bitcoin is well established, because this has happened many times in Coinbase. The previous times we have seen Bitcoin rallies, we have seen crashes in exchanges. So Coinbase crashed once more in January 2021 as the price of Bitcoin approached $40,000 before falling 25% $8,000 to $32,000 the next day, when the value of Bitcoin fell more than 30% in just 24 hours in the May of that year. Another crash. What about when Bitcoin hit all times high in November 2021? Coinbase reported connectivity issue again a couple of weeks later. So trading, basically these are all tweets from people saying the previous histories of Coinbase, and this has happened multiple times in the past also because of Bitcoin surges. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about how Coinbase has basically, we can say, a history of crashing when Bitcoin rallies happen, because there is such a load of traffic, there's too much users using that app, that there seems to be a crash. And every time Bitcoin has seen huge rallies like this, crazy numbers, crazy volatility, exchanges have crashed. Not only Coinbase, there are some other exchanges that do crash as well, and Coinbase just seems to be a popular one. So that was basically about it, all we had to talk about in this video. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto market changes and basically what's happening overall in the market. I do that live stream daily, so do make sure to tune in. And I also create long form content like this, keeping you updated about what's happening in the market right now. So do make sure to tune in to that also. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.